Picture this. You post just 29 short videos, and suddenly your channel explodes with over 2 million subscribers. One of those videos alone racks up 161 million views, and altogether, your channel has a mind-blowing 400 million views. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the shocking part. This creator never shows their face or even uses their own voice. Even wilder? The channel is fully monetized, and the person behind it already has the coveted golden play button for surpassing 1 million subscribers. And guess what? Their content is simply rabbit story shorts. Yep, just rabbits. Now you're probably wondering, how is this even possible? Well, stick with me, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can replicate this strategy for free using AI tools. But before you think you can just copy this idea and start raking in millions overnight, let me stop you right there. YouTube doesn't work that way. To truly succeed, you need a unique approach. That's why I'll walk you through 5 essential steps to help you create original, high-performing content that stands out. Let's get into it. Step 1. Picking the perfect animal. Instead of rabbits, we need to choose a different main animal. Something just as cute and captivating, but unique enough to stand out. Why? Because YouTube already has a rabbit guy. So what works? Baby animals. People can't resist their adorable faces. Whether it's a baby penguin, baby fox, or even a baby capybara, the cuter, the better. After picking our main character, we'll build our channel's brand around it, just like how Rabbit's Journey became known for rabbits. That way our audience knows exactly what to expect and keeps coming back for more. And I'll choose a baby capybara. Step 2. Writing a high-engagement script using AI. Let's be real. Writing a viral script from scratch is tough, but AI makes it effortless. Instead of struggling with ideas, we'll use ChatGPT with a special prompt I've fine-tuned for maximum engagement. This prompt will instantly generate a list of intriguing and emotionally engaging short story ideas, tailored for our chosen animal. Then once we have our idea, we'll use AI again to generate a powerful script, something so compelling that viewers won't stop watching. The best part? This method outperforms hiring a freelancer who would charge a fortune just to rearrange words. Oh, and all the prompts I'm using today? Completely free. Link in the description. Step 3. Generating stunning AI images. For our video to stand out, we need high-quality images, and we're not just using any random stock photos. We'll use AI-powered text-to-image tools that create stunning, unique visuals specifically for our content. Here are the top 3 AI tools I recommend. Leonardo AI, amazing for stylized, artistic images. Ideogram AI, great for generating crisp, detailed visuals. Pika Labs, one of the best free options with high-quality outputs. Here's the trick. We'll take our script scenes, feed them into ChatGPT, and have it generate detailed prompts for our images. This ensures that each image perfectly matches the story. After we generate all the images, it's time to bring them to life. Step 4. Animating the images for a cinematic feel. Static images are great, but animated visuals are way more engaging. So we're going to animate our images using powerful AI tools. Here are the best free AI animation tools I found after hours of testing. Luma Labs, great for realistic, smooth animations. Hilo AI, Minimax, excellent motion effects. Vidu.ai, it offers free credits and creates seamless animations without long wait times. Simply upload your AI-generated images, feed in the script prompts, and let these tools bring your visuals to life. Once we have our animated clips, we're ready for the final step. Step 5. Editing the final video for maximum impact. Editing can make or break a video, but don't worry, you don't need complex software or advanced skills. We'll use CapCut, a free, beginner-friendly editing software that allows us to quickly arrange our clips, add transitions, and polish everything for maximum engagement. Here's what we'll do. Import all our clips and arrange them in order. Add smooth transitions for a seamless flow. Enhance the colors to make the visuals pop. Add sound effects and music for an immersive experience. A well-edited short can skyrocket engagement and increase watch time, which is crucial for going viral. Final touch. Adding sound effects and music. Sound design enhances the experience and makes the video more captivating. For sound effects, I recommend CapCut's built-in library. Super easy to use. Pixabay, tons of copyright-free sound effects. YouTube audio library, another great free resource. For background music, we'll use ChatGPT again. Just paste in your script and ask, what type of music fits this video? It will suggest the perfect genre and mood. Then simply find a matching track for you. And that's it. Your video is ready to go viral. By following these 5 simple steps, you can create highly engaging, AI-powered shorts that stand out and rack up millions of views. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your viral video today. If this guide was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more content creation tips. See you soon!